Assalamualaikum. I'm Sana from Sana Talks. Hope you people are fine, good, hale and healthy, alive and kicking and learning as well. Today I'm going to share with you the 9 ways to say I don't like it. We commonly used to say I don't like this, I don't like that, but we can replace this I don't like it because this is now an old fashioned one, right? So, how you can say in a 9 way that I don't like it, right? So, number one, you can say, don't say I don't like it, say I dislike it. Or you can say that I'm not fond of it. Or you can say I'm not into it. Or in other words, you can say that it's not my cup of tea or it's not my thing. In USA, people, when they don't like anything, they say it's not my cup of tea. Or you can say that that's not my stuff. Or you can say that it's not driving me crazy. So next time, use these phrases instead of saying I don't like it. Say instead of I don't like it, say it, and you will see the difference. So the replacing the word with another or phrases with another, diversify your English. Don't forget it. Okay, so if you like the video, hit the like button, comment, share, and do subscribe. Then you will get the next video. Allah Hafiz.